So guys, this is the Mi 9 Explorer Edition, which is quite honestly the best looking Mi 9 out here at the Xiaomi Make It Happen event. Now it's exactly similar in terms of specifications to the standard Mi 9. So you'll get an 855 processor with it. You can spec it up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. But the key aspect which differentiates it from the regular Mi 9 is the presence of this transparent back. Now as you can see, you can actually glance into the smartphone's innards. You can see the Qualcomm logo right here, and you also get the halo ring on the telephoto lens with the smartphone. Now this is quite honestly one of the best looking smartphones that I have held in my hands, and as you can see, unfortunately I cannot unlock it right now because somebody put a fingerprint on it. But as you can see, it does come with an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, which Xiaomi claims is more reliable as it uses a larger surface area. So in terms of other specifications, you'll get a 48 megapixel Sony IMX 586 sensor, the likes of which you might have already seen on Honor's View 20. Now this is an excellent sensor as it uses quad Bayer technology. So basically it pixel bins 4 adjacent sensors and merges them together in low light scenarios. So effectively you will get a 12 megapixel shot, but with much better details.